In this video, I will show how to fix the GTA 5 not launching issue. First, open the search bar, type virus, and select the first option. Go to Manage Settings. Turn off real-time protection. Then scroll down and select Exclusions. Add the GTA 5 folder and close the window. Second method, launch Rockstar Games Launcher. Go to Settings and turn off Battle Eye. Third method, go to Chrome and search for Script Hook V. Download it, extract the Script Hook V file, then select these files and paste them into the GTA 5 directory. After pasting the files, open the ARGS file and copy this command. Then create a file named commandline.txt. Paste the command into it and save the file. Close the window and open GTA 5. As you can see, GTA 5 is successfully opened. That's it for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.